Hey, welcome to another video of the Marketing on Social Media 101 video series for we're talking about Facebook groups and how to set up and optimize your Facebook group. And in this video series specifically, we're going to talk about the setting up your community rules. So in the previous video, right, we finished some of our participation questions. So when people join, they ask these questions, they fill out, so we get to know a little bit more about them as they join the group, and also see if they're really a good fit for our group or not. But then the next thing we want to do, if you scroll down here, it says talk about group rules, right? So we want to make sure we have rules in place, and so when people join, they know our rules, right? We don't make sure that's prominent on our Facebook group, and so that everyone knows the rules. So there's two ways you can get to it. You can just click on learn more if you're still in participation questions, or you can go over to the left hand side and click on community rules. And when you do that, you're going to be able to write up to 10 rules for your group. And we're just going to click on get started here. And then you can see here, they always have some example rules already. So if you want, you can just click on these buttons here, or you can come up with your own rules. So be kind and curious. I like that. This will really have a good description there. And I think you just hit create, and then you just keep on hitting them. Right, no hate speech or bullying. Like, we got to make sure that's there. Right, you hit that one. No promotion or spam. Got to have that. And then we have to say create, respect everyone's privacy. Right. Do we have that? So we automatically have 4 rules like that because of Facebook giving us some good examples. So these are very good rules to start off with. Okay, now if you have any other rules you want to add, then you can write your own rules in here for yourself. So for instance, for me, like, I'm only want to have deal with certain businesses, right? I don't want any illegal type business conversations going on or talked about in here. So we'll say legal and PG businesses only. This group is for small business owners who operate legal and see, morally friendly businesses. I want no crazy stuff going on here. Okay, that's one thing you have there. All right. So another thing we can do here is create another one here. I don't like foul language. I just don't like it. Clean, friendly language. So here, no foul language allowed. All right, so everyone knows. So I'm going to be improving the comments and the posts. If I see any foul language, any swear words, it will not be posted. All right. So we have 6 of them here now. That's probably a good starting point. I might better come up with some more later, but for now, that's a good starting point for this video series. So the next video series, we're going to go more deep dive into the community settings and particularly set this thing up so that we have a great, safe environment for all of our members that eventually will join. All right. Thank you, and God bless you. See you in the next video.